So in this course, we are going to look at Termux, which is a command line interface for Android systems. So we will start with very basic, and this course is for beginners only. So there is no prerequisite for this course. The only requirement for this course is you just have to have your Android phone with you. So we are going to install Termux on it, and let's just start with the very basics, and let's see what is Termux. So Termux is a CLI, or the command line interface for Android phones, and you can do pretty much all the things which you can do on Linux environment, right? So your Android phone is based on Linux, but it's a graphical interface. By default, you don't get any command line interface on your Android phone, right? So Termux provides us the shell or the CLI environment, and we can run almost all the commands which we can run on Linux environment. And the second question people ask me the most is, do we need to have a root permission to run Termux? The simple answer is no. You don't have to be a root user on your Android phone to run Termux. You can run Termux as a normal user, and we can install Termux as a normal user. I'm going to show it in a moment. So, so this is what Termux is, right? And what things you can do on Termux? You can run all the basic Linux commands on Termux. You can learn programming languages like C, C++, Python, Ruby, PHP. We are going to see all those things in our coming videos. You can run networking tools on your Termux running your mobile phone only, right? Uh, and the important topic, which is the focus of our course, is penetration testing tools. We can run almost all the penetration testing tools which we usually run on Kali Linux. We can run on Termux as well, and there are a few other important tools which are related to the API of Termux, which we are going to see as well. We can also control our sensors of our Android phone using Termux, and we will see how to run all the sensors using our CLI interface on Termux, and then we will see how we can get some other important information of our sensors. So all these things are coming into the coming sections, so stay tuned.